Guys, some massive news. Things are not looking so good for Shiba Inu. However, on the other side of the coin, Ethereum, Dogecoin, and Bitcoin are having some massive moves coming up. I'm going to be discussing those things in today's video. I'm also going to be doing a technical analysis to see if cryptos are headed up or down. So you're definitely going to want to stick around until the end of the video. What's up guys, I'm Joel and I'm an expert at technical analysis. With 13 years experience as a successful day trader, I call out huge plays before they even happen, and I'm very accurate as you've seen in my previous videos. Due to high demand, I now offer my buy and sell trade signals, and if you haven't joined my Patreon already, it's incredibly inexpensive and invaluable. It's in the top pinned comment, and that's how you get my buy and sell trade signals. As I watch the charts throughout the day on a lot of different cryptos, I wait for that steep dip. That rare time to buy in when all the whales have sold out, when there's only about 5 or 10 minutes to get in. I let you guys know that I'm ready to buy so that you guys can buy in as well. I then watch the charts and wait for a peak when we've at least made 20 to 30% profits, oftentimes double or more. I let you guys know that I'm ready to sell so that you guys can sell as well or hold your position. And congratulations to all my patrons who have been taking my buy and sell trade signals because we've made a lot of money. Guys, it doesn't matter if you only have $50, $100, or $200 to invest, it's never too little. I've seen successful patrons start with those amounts time and time again. And if you haven't already subscribed with the bell rung, be sure to do that so you can be entered into my 10,000 Shiba Inu giveaway, which we're going to be doing when we hit 10,000 subscribers, which is just right around the corner. And if you love cryptocurrencies, smash that like button, it really does help out the channel. Guys, we generally see altcoins outperform Bitcoin. However, recently we've seen Bitcoin outperforming the others. Why is this? Guys, it's simple. It's because a lot of the biggest whales out there, the institutions, the companies, the firms, the countries, they're all loading up on Bitcoin while it's very low, while it's very cheap because they know the future. They know that just within the next few months, it's going to be the biggest bull run that we've ever seen possibly in the history of cryptos because October, November, and December are historically the most bullish months of the year. Guys, that's what we're getting into right now and you want to be positioned very well while we get into the thick of it. Guys, also something that we have to look forward to. When Bitcoin does slow down a bit, that means that a lot of the top whales, a lot of the small retailer investors are going to start moving their money from Bitcoin on over to the altcoins. Guys, as they see Bitcoin go down a bit, whether it's true or not, they're losing a bit of confidence and they're then going to be investing in the other altcoins, only causing Dogecoin, Ethereum, and a lot of our other favorite altcoins to pump massively, which is inevitably going to happen on this bull run as well. So you're going to want to have some cash on the side and look out for those dips when I call those out as well. Dogecoin also follows Bitcoin very closely, and it is literally the second most pumped coin recently along with Bitcoin, which is massive news. Guys, some huge news. An article just came out titled, Pro-Crypto Senator Cynthia Lummis discloses up to $100,000 Bitcoin purchase. The lawmaker from Wyoming has been vocal about supporting Bitcoin and blockchain technology in Congress. Guys, this is huge. This means not only are the massive whales, the institutions, the companies out there buying into Bitcoin, but right now, even the everyday person, the everyday average Joe, including the folks in Congress, are buying up Bitcoin like crazy right now. Guys, this is just a friendly reminder that the future of Bitcoin, the future of cryptos is incredibly bright, not only for the next 2 to 4 months, which we already know is a massive bull run, but every single year, the top cryptos keep doubling in price or more. With cryptos being a hedge against inflation, literally, it is possibly one of the best things you could possibly invest in your entire lifetime, and may very well even be a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity right now to get them at the prices that we're seeing right now. Guys, I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. It's simply my opinion based on my experience and software. And if you don't yet have a platform to buy and sell cryptocurrencies on, I highly recommend using my Webull link in the top pinned comment. If you use that link and deposit $100 or more, you get 2 free stocks worth up to $4,000 each. You can liquidate that, send that straight to your bank account, or buy cryptos with it. Guys, another huge article came out titled, Institutions Buying Bitcoin Rather Than Gold as Inflation Cranks Up. Guys, JP Morgan reports this, and it talks about how this current rally is mostly driven by institutional investors. Guys, for the last year, gold has literally depreciated in value, as inflation has seen its worst in 2020 than ever before. Guys, the US dollar continues to go down in value every single day as the US government keeps printing it. Guys, if all these institutions are going to follow that wave and start selling their gold and buying up Bitcoin, putting their money into cryptos, it's going to cause the crypto market to boom, to skyrocket, because inevitably the trillions of dollars in gold right now is going to pour into Bitcoin. It's going to pour into cryptos. It's only a matter of time. Guys, a lot of the top crypto experts out there, including myself, are expecting Bitcoin to hit 100,000 plus just within the next 2 to 4 months, and then next year easily hitting $150,000. Guys, when this happens, what do you think Dogecoin is going to be at? Dogecoin literally follows Bitcoin very precisely. It may lag behind by 2 or 3 days and then pump out of nowhere, surprising us. However, I believe it could easily be above $1 just within the next 2 to 4 months as well. Guys, a huge Twitter user named TechDid tweeted out, and what he conveyed to us is that in 2013, when we have on the charts the type of thing that we're seeing right now, and same in 2017, we had a massive pump. Guys, we are literally setting up for a massive pump right now for Bitcoin, which inevitably means the rest of the cryptos are going to follow up along with it. We're going to see some massive pumps just within the next week or two, so you want to be sure you're positioned very well. Get ready for this. Any cash you have on the side, get ready to buy these dips when I'm calling them out, so that there's only a short period of time before we see profits. And then when we reach our desired profits, that we're at the top of our cycle, our absolute peak, I'll let you guys know that I'm ready to sell so that we can rake in our profits. He says that because of the cycle top that we've seen over those years, he believes that we'll hit $250,000 during this cycle for Bitcoin. Guys, with Bitcoin 5xing by then, if that's to be true, we could easily see Ethereum 10x by then. Dogecoin 10x as well. Guys, we have a lot to look forward to. Guys, and when we look at the Bitcoin charts, we see a huge momentum wave. Right here, here's our momentum wave, and right here, whenever we see that, a sort of curvature like this, we have a huge bounce just thereafter. Guys, you want to be ready for that. You want to have some cash on the side to buy that dip once we reach our dip again. And then this peak that I'm talking about, you're going to want to get ready to sell. Not only Bitcoin, but also a lot of the other cryptos. But we are likely to see a dip just before this happens. So you want to be ready to buy when I call that out as well. With a W pattern also on the Bitcoin charts, which is a very bullish symbol, it's just a reminder of how strong this bull run is right now, with our next level of resistance being at $60,000 for Bitcoin, and I expect to hit that very, very soon. So if you haven't joined my Patreon already, it's incredibly inexpensive and invaluable. It's in the top pinned comment, and that's where you get my buy and sell trade signals. And if you don't yet have a platform to buy and sell cryptocurrencies on, I highly recommend using my Webull link in the top pinned comment. If you use that link and deposit $100 or more, you get 2 free stocks worth up to $4,000 each. You can liquidate that, send that straight to your bank account, or buy cryptos with it. And if you haven't already subscribed with the bell rung, be sure to do that so you don't miss my time-sensitive daily Dogecoin uploads, and also to be entered into my 10,000 Shiba Inu giveaway, which we're going to be doing at 10,000 subscribers, which is just right around the corner. And I'll see you tomorrow.